Dear students, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to this video. Let us learn about the family of quadrilaterals. So, quadrilateral is a four-sided polygon. It's a polygon with four sides, or we can say it is a geometrical shape bounded by four sides. So, you can see a quadrilateral in the picture. It has your name is your A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. Now, what are its sides? A, B, B, C, C, D and A, D are the sides of this quadrilateral A, B, C, D. A, B, C and D are called vertices. Vertices is the plural of vertex. Now, AC and BD are called diagonals. What is a diagonal? Diagonal of a quadrilateral is a line segment joining the opposite vertex of a quadrilateral. Suppose B and D are opposite vertex. When I'll join them, I'll call BD is a diagonal. Similarly, there is another diagonal which is AC. So there are two diagonals. Now it has four angles: angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. So there is an interesting property in quadrilateral. The sum of angle A, B, C, D always gives up 360 degree. So we say sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral is always 360 degree. Now see, if sum of angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree, now let us solve a problem. Question is given the three angles of a quadrilateral are 90 degree, 100 degree and 85 degree. What is fourth angle? What is fourth angle? Can you get it? We can take the sum of all these three angles. How much it will be? It will be 275. Then the sum of angles is 360 degree. We'll subtract 275 from your 360. How much I'll get? I'll get your 85 degree. So fourth angle is 85 degree. Similarly, let us take another problem where the angles are in ratio. Angles of a quadrilateral are in ratio your 1:2:3:4. Find the angles. So how to get it? You can think that there are how many parts are in total? Total there are your 10 parts. 10 parts. So out of 10 parts, first angle is getting one part only. So first angle will be one part out of 10 from total angle. What is it? 360 degree. So you will cancel 0, 0, it gives you 36 degree. Similarly, getting second part, it will be how much? 2 parts it is getting out of 10. So from 360, it will get how much? It will be 72 degree. Similarly, third angle, it is getting 3 out of 10. So for 360, it will get how much? It will be 108 degree. And fourth angle will be get how much? 4 by 10 into 360 degree. It will be your 144 degree. So you got all the angles. You can write the statement. So next we'll go for types of quadrilateral. What are types of quadrilaterals? What are types of quadrilateral? Or we can classify the quadrilateral, or we can find the properties of each type. First is your trapezium. What is a trapezium? Trapezium is a quadrilateral with one pair of parallel sides. So see the figure here, AB is parallel to CD, but AD is not parallel to BC. And when AD is not parallel to BC, we write with the symbol, this is not parallel. This is your for parallel and this is for not parallel. So no need of writing, only for understanding that it has one pair of parallel sides. When non-parallel sides of a trapezium are equal, it is called isosceles trapezium. If in a trapezium I get this non-parallel sides, your A, B, C, D. AB is not equal to CD. AB is equal to CD. We call it is an isosceles trapezium. Next is who? Parallelogram. What is a parallelogram? It has two pair of opposite sides are parallel. Not only that AB is parallel to BC, here AB is parallel to CD and BC is also parallel to DA. AB is parallel to CD. This is the symbol to how to show parallel. And BC is parallel to AD. Both the pairs of opposite sides are parallel in a parallelogram. Now here another property is there. The opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal and opposite angles are also equal. Here in parallelogram, opposite pair of sides are parallel and also are equal. That means AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to AD. Opposite angles are equal. Opposite pair of angles are equal. Isn't it interesting? Yes. So what we are getting? Angle A is equal to angle C, angle AB is equal to angle D. Next, another one interesting property is left. What is it? AO is equal to CO, BO is equal to DO. What does it mean? It means is that diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals of a parallelogram. Diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. What does it mean? It means that if we measure AO with a scale, this is same as your OC. AO is equal to OC. Similarly, if we measure your DO and BO, they will be also equal. BO is equal to OD. That means at point of intersection, they divide them into two equal parts. Next, what's it? It's rectangle. A rectangle is a parallelogram with each of the angle is 90 degree. In a parallelogram, in a rectangle, all the angles are 90 degree. Here also, it takes the same properties of your parallelogram. Opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are equal. And another interesting property is diagonals are equal. Here diagonals are equal. AC, if we measure, this is same as your BD. And what another property left for parallelogram? Yes, the diagonals bisect each other. The diagonals also bisect each other. So AO is equal to OC, BO is equal to DO, and here all will be equal to each other. AO is equal to BO is equal to CO is equal to DO. Next, what? It is a rhombus. What is a rhombus? Rhombus is a parallelogram. First, it is a parallelogram. So all the properties of the parallelogram it carries. And what is extra? Extra is here condition is all the sides are equal, where all the parallelograms have no this property. All the sides are equal. So AB is equal to parallel to CD, BC is equal to parallel to AD, you know, but now you knew that they are equal. AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. You will measure with the scale in a rhombus, all are equal. And the diagonals bisect each other. AO is equal to BO is equal, AO is equal to CO. This is not correct. AO is equal to CO. AO is equal to CO, whereas BO is equal to DO. Next, another property is there. What is this? Diagonals bisect each other at right angle. Right angle means AOB is equal to 90 degree as shown in the figure. BOC is 90 degree, COD is 90 degree, and AOD is 90 degree. Or here we say diagonals are perpendicular to each other. Diagonals are perpendicular to each other. Next is square. What is it? A square is a parallelogram. First it is a parallelogram. Then condition is all the angles are 90 degree and all sides are also equal. This is the condition. All the sides are equal, all the angles are equal. So H square is a parallelogram. The properties of the parallelogram all are true here. AB is parallel to CD, BC is parallel to your DA, and AO is equal to CO. AO is equal to CO and BO is equal to DO, and all the angles are 90 degree. Here another property holds, that is your, this is the printing mistake. AO is equal to BO. AO is equal to CO and BO is equal to DO. So here all the angles are 90 degree. Then it is a regular quadrilateral. Why? Square is a special quadrilateral or square is regular quadrilateral. Is because its all the sides are equal. So all the angles are equal. And that is 90 degree. Then coming to, it is a kite. Kite is also a quadrilateral. It is two pair of sides. The adjacent pairs are equal. AB is equal to AD, BC is equal to CD, and diagonals got at right angle, and one of the diagonal bisect at O, other do not bisect. So I hope you have understood. Let's go for a quiz. Now you have a question on your screen. Question number 1. The sum of angles of a quadrilateral is how much? 180, 270, 360, 400. Which one? It is 360 degrees. Sum of angles of quadrilateral is 360 degrees. So C is the answer. The three angles of a quadrilateral are 80 degrees, 70 degrees, 120 degree. Find the fourth angle. How to do? Take the sum of all angles. If we add them, this will be 270 degree. Then what to do? Subtract from 360 degree. How much is the answer? Oh, you got it? Very good. So 90 is the answer. Question number 3. The angles of a quadrilateral are in ratio. Ratio is given. The largest of the angle is how much? So if they are in ratio, what are the total parts of the angle? It will be 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. It will be 3 plus 4, 7, 5, 12, 18 parts. And out of 18, largest part is how much? Largest angle? Largest angle is 6 part. So we'll divide 360 degree. Why 360 degree? Sum of angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So we'll divide 360 degree into 18 parts and we'll take 6 part of it. So how much it will be? 6 into 20. How I am getting 20? 18 2 times 36. So 120 degree. So answer will be 120 degree. A quadrilateral having one and only one pair of parallel sides. Only one pair, not the all the pair. Which one? Yes, trapezium. 5. The quadrilateral whose opposite sides are parallel. Both the pairs are parallel. Yes, parallelogram. An isosceles trapezium has isosceles trapezium. Isosceles trapezium means when trapezium two sides are parallel, other two sides are not parallel, but if they are equal in length, if your BC is equal to AD, then we call it isosceles trapezium. Like your isosceles triangle, it is isosceles trapezium. So which one will be the answer? Equal parallel sides, equal non-parallel sides, equal opposite sides. So this will be the answer B. Now, in isosceles trapezium has equal, oh, we did it. This will be question, answer will be which one? Equal non-parallel sides. Next question. The diagonal of a quadrilateral bisect each other. Diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other at right angles. It is a, which one? Rhombus. Oh, a square has all sides equal, diagonals unequal. All sides equal, diagonals equal. All sides unequal, diagonals equal. Which one? Yes, B is correct answer. Yes, rhombus is square have all sides equal and all diagonals are also equal. Sides equal and diagonals is also equal. Next, question 9. A quadrilateral having two pair of equal adjacent angles. Adjacent angles are equal, but unequal opposite sides. Which one? Trapezium, parallelogram, kite, rectangle. Yes, you are correct. It is a kite. 10. What do you mean by regular quadrilateral? You know this answer? Really? Yes, it is. Square is the answer. So I hope you like the quiz. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed. So don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.